Today, the National UFO Reporting Center says our state has the highest number of sightings than any other state in the country. There's no concrete evidence why, only that this month is red hot when it comes to spotting unidentified objects in the sky. KOMO 4's Gart Swanson explains.
It was a bright light, and all of a sudden it just, shoo, it just disappeared. I don't know what it was.
June is a hot month.
Philip Lipson knows all about UFOs.
They're usually quiet.
He even wrote a book about them.
Yeah, people have told me about them.
Today he runs a website called the Northwest Museum of Legends and Lore. They take UFO sightings seriously, like the one over Maury Island where UFOs were spotted. Then 3 days later, flying discs over Mount Rainier, both in June 1947, just 3 days apart.
Some people actually celebrate that as like National or Worldwide UFO Day.
Reports from Bremerton, Clarkson,
Some UFO groups say Washington is one of the leading states for sightings.
Battleground, East Wenatchee, Vantage, Puyallup, and Auburn. That's just in the last 10 days or so.
Peter Davenport, director of the National UFO Reporting Center, tracks UFO sightings in the United States. And this month right here has been red hot.
We've taken 31 reports from the state of Washington since the 1st of June.
And last Saturday, Davenport documented a major sighting on Whidbey Island, where a woman reported seeing fireballs in the sky. He believes it's a pattern.
For the last 2 years, our center has been deluged, inundated, smothered with reports of red clusters of red, orange, and yellow fireballs.
Most experts say you can see a UFO anytime, anywhere. But you know what? There are ways you can to improve your chances.
And you need to be kind of in a relaxed state of mind, like not expecting anything in particular.
But not everybody believes in flying objects from outer space, especially the higher number of sightings in June.
I don't think the fact that it gets higher in the summer when there are more people out having fun drinking, you shouldn't be discounted as a factor.
Gart Swanson, KOMO 4 News.
The National UFO Sighting Center says it has reported 5,000 sightings in Washington over the last 20 years. The most recent, 2 days ago in Centralia.